Blink हो रहा है? Okay, okay. So guys, hello and welcome to my channel, and this is Joel Emmanuel from Baroda, Gujarat, and this is my wife, and this is my bike, the Mini Ghost Rider. So right now I am going to Goa, and this place is Amboli Ghat. It is one of the famous ghat in Maharashtra. When you are going to Goa, this ghat comes in the between. Actually, there are two roads going to Goa. One is from Belgaum and one is from Amboli Ghat. I chose this road because I wanted to feel the beauty of this ghat. Now I am riding on the road back going to Mumbai this side because return होते वक्त शायद मैं ये शूट कर ना सकूँ. इसके लिए I thought to show you the beauty of this ghat. Now I just want to guide you and give you some suggestions and make you aware कि जितना ये घाट beautiful है उतना ही dangerous है because there are a few things you need to be careful on this ghat. First thing is that no one is blowing horns and यहाँ पर कुछ ये जो एज है वहाँ पर कुछ जगह है ऐसी which is empty, the space is open of this edge. As you can see over here, किधर गया इधर ही किधर था, हाँ this one. As you can see the left side, the space is open and दूसरा इधर है, this one the wall is broken and this one. यहाँ से क्या कुछ भी अगर होता है तो you straight away go down and you fall with your bike in this valley. It's very deep valley, so just be careful of this place. And the other thing which I wanted to tell you is that there are a lot many monkeys on this ghat, so just be careful because they cut through your way very badly. As you can see the monkey, अरे बाप रे, see this. So just be careful. They don't harm you actually, but वो अपने क्या riders confuse हो जाते हैं. And see this another player is ready standing in the middle of the road. ये दे कंफ्यूज अस लॉट, ये किधर भागेगा. जब बीच में खड़ा रहता है तभी और डर लगता है कहाँ भागेगा ये. या एंड द थर्ड थिंग इज़ दैट यू नीड टू बी वेरी केयरफुल बिकॉज ये घाट जो है वहाँ पर थोड़े वाटरफॉल्स है एंड द वाटर फ्रॉम द वाटरफॉल फॉल्स ऑन द रोड. एज यू कैन सी द वाटर फॉलन. सो इफ़ यू आर डूइंग कॉर्नरिंग then you might slip and dash your bike in this wall of the mountain and you might face some injuries. And the other thing is there are speeds like this guy. He just came, I don't know how fast he came from the back, and he's overtaking without blowing a horn. And उसने टॉप पे भी जो टर्न लिया वहाँ पर भी हॉर्न नहीं मारा. And yes, this is the very beautiful place, the waterfall over here. क्या देख रहे हो भाई लोग, एक्शन कैमरा है. सो हाँ, दैट वाज द पार्ट ऑफ द border side of this ghat, and now I am going back to Goa. The place is really wonderful, and some of them they told me that it looks more wonderful during monsoon because it is filled with greenery and the water falling from the ghat. It is wonderful, but there are also landslides sometimes, so just be careful of that thing also. And just see the beauty here, amazing. ऐसा लगता है वापस जाऊँ ही नहीं, यहीं रुक जाऊँ. एक्चुअली पहले आई हैव विजिटेड दिस प्लेस, नो वन इज़ ब्लोइंग हॉर्न, और शायद ये हॉर्न नहीं मारते इसके लिए ही ये ट्रक का एक्सीडेंट हुआ है. वो बाप रे बाप, वेरी बैडली डैमेज्ड. सो यस, previously I visited this ghat when I was in 10th standard. When I passed 10th standard, I visited Goa, and रात को around 1 or 2 a.m. sorry हाँ 2 a.m. ये घाट आया था. and रात अंधेरा था इसके लिए पता नहीं चला the beauty of the ghat, but it was looking very scary and very spooky. रात को इट्स वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट टू ड्राइव ओवर हियर बिकॉज बीच में देखो ये ही इज़ नॉट गोइंग हॉर्न एंड ओवरटेकिंग. यहाँ पर भी हॉर्न नहीं मारा. क्या यार, एक्चुअली द लोकलाइट्स ओवर हियर दे डोंट ब्लो हॉर्न क्योंकि उनके लिए ये रेगुलर रास्ता है, बट फॉर द विजिटर्स इट इज़ समथिंग न्यू, सो दे रियली डोंट अंडरस्टैंड कि इट इज़ डेंजर फॉर. अरे बाप रे, घुस गया. ओ अच्छा, बच गया. I was saved. रियल में ये टर्न मेरे से हैंडल नहीं हुआ अभी. सो हाँ, रात को. सो वन मोर थिंग I would like to tell you कि रात को if you are traveling, if you prefer to travel on this road, then please don't travel because it's very not traffic. There is no traffic at the night over here, and if you face any problem with your bike, then you won't find any mechanic. Plus, uh, there might be some issues. It is quite risky. Some of them they might rob you. Just be careful of that. And yeah, I was talking about in 10th standard I visited this place, and I still remember रात को it was 2 a.m. in the night or in the morning, and our driver he was driving the bus, and suddenly there was a woman who came in the middle of the road and stood in front of the bus. She was wearing some sari or something. I don't know exactly. Still, I don't remember what color she was wearing, but she stood in the middle of the road. और हमारे बस ड्राइवर ने हॉर्न मारा, उसको गाली दे के हटाया बीच में से, बस में बैठे हुए ही हटाया. सो सडनली दैट लेडी डिसअपियर्ड. नाउ आई डोंट नो वेदर इट वाज अ घोस्ट और सम विलेजर लेडी हु केम इन द मिडल ऑफ द रोड टू कमिट अ सुसाइड. बट दिस थिंग हैपेंड, एंड देन आफ्टर सडनली व्हाइल क्लाइंबिंग दिस घाट, हमारे जो ड्राइवर थे बस के, पारस अंकल, आई स्टिल रिमेंबर हिज नेम, उनको सडनली नींद आने लगा एंड ही वॉज नॉट एबल टू ड्राइव द बस. और हम में से किसी को भी बस नहीं आता था, एंड इट वॉज वेरी स्कैरी मोमेंट. और बस वॉज स्लाइडिंग डाउन द घाट, एंड हाउ एवर वी ट्राइड टू मेक हिम अवेक. उनको जगा के रखा पानी मुँह पे डाल के, एंड देन आफ्टर एट 3 a.m. हाउ एवर वी क्रॉस द घाट, एंड आवर bus driver he slept near the ghat only, and we were around 40 of them in the bus, and it was very scary moment क्योंकि इतना बड़ा घाट पे रात को 3 बजे with passengers, कुछ भी हो सकता है यार. and he slept for 5 hours, and then after he woke up and all were telling that it might be a ghost or something. so guys, just be careful. सब चीज़ तो होती है on the highways. Many of them they die. I'm not scaring you by telling this ghost stories. काफ़ी motovloggers, professional motovloggers, they guide you that don't travel at night. It is dangerous, risky. So they don't tell you directly कि क्या हो सकता है and what happens. But I'm telling you what the reality is and what I have experienced. I prefer to go out at the nights, and even I have experienced some of the things. So better don't prefer to ride at night in this kind of jungle area, because चलो ये सब तो चीज़ अलग है, but you might also get robbed. So just be careful. अरे भाई जाने देना यार, चलो कोई बात नहीं, आराम से लेते हैं, कहीं आगे जाके एक्सीडेंट ना हो जाए, ओवरटेक मारने जाए. और कीप पेशेंस. Okay, now it's clear. Power mode on, and here goes my Royal Enfield 1981 old model. And yes, today the date is 3rd November, and we are heading to Goa. Try to cover this ghat during the daytime. Take it as a big brother's advice. And on the Amboli Ghat the roads are clear, but as soon as you go down the Amboli Ghat, the roads are very rough. So yes, and keep on blowing horn continuously, because the localites they don't blow horn. And one of my friend met with an accident last year. And he lost his fingers of his foot. देखो ये मंकी, एक्चुअली एक स्विफ्ट वाला ड्राइवर आके सीधा उनमें घुस गया, एंड ही लॉस्ट हिज लेग. ही वाज राइडिंग टू राइडरमेनिया गोवा. दिस थिंग हैपेंड, एंड दिस फुल वीडियो इज वॉइस ओवर, एंड दिस इज द वंडरफुल वाटरफॉल फ्रॉम दिस Amboli Ghat. we'll do some photo shoots and go back. So if you like the video, do press the like button, share, comment and subscribe. Hope you liked it. So take care, God bless, and that's my wife and my bike.